So guys, welcome to our channel once again. Today on our biology exam revision series, you will learn about synapses and reflexes. So ensure to stay till the end of this video, as this is an important topic in your biology. Also, at the end of this video, you will get a free biology exam revision question to test your knowledge on this topic. So guys, the neurons transmit impulses very quickly to and from your brain, and your brain also quickly decides how to respond to a stimulus. But reflexes are even quicker as compared. Synapses connect neurons, so the connection between two neurons is called a synapse. So the nerve signal is transferred by chemicals which diffuse across the gap. These chemicals then set off a new electrical signal in the next neuron. So reflexes are automatic, rapid responses to certain stimuli that does not involve the conscious part of the brain. They can reduce the chance of being injured. For instance, if someone shines a bright light at your eyes, your pupils automatically get smaller. This is to prevent much light from getting into it and then causing damage. Also, if you get a shock, your body releases the hormone adrenaline automatically. It doesn't wait for you to decide that you are shocked. The passage of information in a reflex is called a reflex arc. So the neurons in the arcs go through the spinal cord or through an unconscious part of the brain. So when a stimulus is detected by the receptors, impulses are sent along the sensory neuron to a relay neuron in the central nervous system. When the impulses reach a synapse between the sensory neuron and the relay neuron, they trigger chemicals to be released. These chemicals cause impulse to be sent along the relay neuron. Also, when the impulses reach the synapse between the relay neuron and the motor neuron, the same thing happens. The impulses then travel along the motor neuron to the effector, which is usually a muscle. So the muscle then contracts in response to the impulse. So because you don't think about the response, this reflex is quicker than normal responses. Alright guys, so here's a free biology exam practice question for you to test your knowledge on this lesson. Feel free to pause this video and try it out. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. If you are new to this channel, please ensure to join our Telegram channel using the link in the description of this video below to get instant updates and notifications for your exams. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends if this video was helpful. Also ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.